Hello, I'm Michael Tedesco, and today I'll be reviewing the Lego City Tow Truck. Lego set number, I don't remember the set number, so whatever. So let's get to the set. Here's the Lego tow truck. Now, if you notice right here, right here, that little wheel right there, it winds up the hook, and it's actually a pretty good set. I got this for Christmas yesterday. Christmas was actually kind of fun for me. Too bad I didn't record it and post it on YouTube. Now, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing lots of sets. The next set I'll be reviewing is the Lego City Public Transportation. Notice the city sweeper, the train, the bus stop, which is that thing right there. And behind the train, there's the station, and there's a shop. And down there is the Lego City Police Station. It's different from the Lego City headquarters because this one has a helicopter pad, and it's a little different. The stairs are over there, and the door slides open, and it has a bigger satellite dish than the one it has for the Lego City headquarters. And I also got art set, and
I got one. Twinkle, twinkle, how time flies.
Slowly in the starry sky.
Baby, please close your eyes.
You're as sweet as
Apple pies.
love and flavor.
In our hearts, you'll always stay.
So sleep and dream the night away.
that's my little easel I got. It's actually pretty tiny and real. So, and that's all I have to say in this video. But before I go, if you're wondering how I'm not holding my camera, I'm using my tripod. So goodbye. Bye people, this is M Tedesco signing out, and I'm not doing M Tedesco 6 anymore in my videos. I like to do that at the end. In the beginning, I just like to say my name, so whatever. Goodbye people.